How y'all doing, Facebook? Just giving y'all a weekly market update. But first, I want to start off with a scripture I want to share. Then I want to do a couple of shout outs to a couple of people. In the Bible, in Philippians 4:13, it says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Kayla, I'm on live right now. Yes. Yeah, you can. Yeah. No, put your shirt on too. Put your 90s on. Sorry about that, y'all. Father do this, but subscription come out of Philippians 4:13, so I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I want to thank a lot of people. My brother Robert. I want to thank Robert. I want to thank my mama. I want to thank Alex. I want to thank John the Baptist. I want to thank Brother Eric from the church. A lot of the church members. You know who you are. Couple of my, my family, you know who you are, you know who I've spoken with, Terrence, Natural, a lot of people who've been very supportive during this this trying time that I'm dealing with right now. Me and my family is dealing with right now. My daughter's grandmother, Miss Dewana. I thank y'all for all y'all support for my family.
Hey y'all.
She just got her. They can't see her face. She just wants to show her face, y'all. But I want to thank y'all for y'all support. Just keep me and my family in y'all prayers. I thank y'all seriously. But on to the markets. So right now, what's going on with macroeconomics? There's a lot of things happening right now. For one, the Court of Appeals is appealing a lot of Trump's tariffs that's going on. So there's a lot of turmoil with a lot of these tariffs that Trump is trying to implement, and they trying to appeal. Although he took a lot of tariffs that he's trying to implement in a lot of countries right now. So there's a lot of the indecisiveness with that. So dealing with them Court of Appeals. There's just going to be a process with that. If they're going to shut some of the tariffs down or they're not. Right now, they will continue to be implemented until further notice. Also, we just hit a vessel coming out of Venezuela. It was said to be a narco ship or some terrorists. There's more and more turmoil in the markets. You also got... Let me see, I wrote a couple things down. It was said that Trump's health was declining. There was some news that dropped. Also, the Epstein files, they said to be releasing, I think, tomorrow or here very soon. So, who knows what's in them Epstein files, you know what I'm saying? So, the narrative now is, is panic, right? Sell, right? So, in a market like this, the dollar becomes bullish, but I think it's going to be short-lived due to the fact this month I believe the Fed is going to cut rates, but we're going to go into the Forex market. We're going to see what are good trades to look at. We're going to look at USD CAD. We're going to look at GBP USD because in an environment like this, the dollar gets bullish. I look at JPY getting bullish. I look at Swiss franc getting bullish. We're going to look at the stock market, see how it reacted to a lot of these news events. We're going to look at the crypto space. And then we also going to look at GBP USD from that signal I gave y'all like a week ago. So I'm going to first and foremost go to that real quick. So GBP USD did sell off, y'all. It did sell off. I sold off real hard. Not really, really hard, but it did exactly what I predicted it was gonna do. Hit that level and it broke it. Might as well erase this. So right now it could possibly, it could retest this zone right here that it touched. It go all the way down here. So you could be looking for further sales on GU, just like I predicted. But I'm looking at USD CAD, y'all. I like USD CAD for a buy right now as it's going up as we speak. I believe USD CAD, just like I got these green arrows, is going to ride up, hit this resistance, or possibly go a little bit above it, and make a good head and shoulders. Left neckline, head, neckline, right shoulder as it goes up, then tanks all the way down there. And that's probably about, once it hit that zone up here, somewhere up here, all the way down, we're looking at about 300 pips. So yeah, that's an extremely good trade for a sell. Ride it up, then tank it, y'all. So definitely looking for sales on USDK, y'all. Let's look at Bitcoin stock market. The Bitcoin and stock market. Well, Bitcoin sold off again. So as y'all see, it's panic selling in the market. So when the market is in panic mode, a lot of these risky assets like cryptos, the stock market, they start selling off. And right now it's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and it could possibly touch the zone that I got marked here and start selling down again. This would be a good zone at 100K flat to settle down to and see if it's going to bounce off that level down here and start buying again. But definitely, this looks like a double top. You got your bottom support. Bottom support, left marker of the double top, down, neckline, up, boom. It looks like an M, y'all, pretty much. Up, down, up, and it's kind of like channeling downward. So it's pretty much, it ain't just tanking straight down, like just tanking. It's doing a channel. It's channeling. And it's a nice little pullback. So it'll be some good sales here and ride it back down. Let's look at the stock market. I just picked US 30. The Dow Jones. It sold pretty good today. Let me erase some of these. It hit this good level up here at 45.6. It respected. That's a lot of consolidation up here then. So now I'm looking for some more bearish movement down here. Good rejection counter. So it's a wait and see approach on the stock market. I believe it will sell off due to the fact the Feds will be cutting rates. Very high chance of cutting rates later this month, and they most likely going to dip it, and then they just going to buy right back in. They're going to dip it and buy right back into it, y'all. So these are good resistance levels up here, 45,600. So definitely going to be selling US 30. S&P 500. S&P 500. Same thing. Well, it looks kind of nasty. S&P 500 looks real nasty. Don't like how that market looks. It's not really making a good trend. But I believe it will sell, just like US 30. It's just more bullish than US 30. So this is a wait and see approach on S&P 500. So, but my trade definitely would be USD CAD, buy all the way up, hit this resistance with this red arrow at, or a little bit above it, somewhere right there, and then start tanking. It's gonna make a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, neckline, head, neckline, right shoulder, just like a head and shoulder. That's what they call it. Neckline, head, right shoulder, down. So I'm gonna sell it up here, and I'm gonna buy it up to here. Buy it, then sell it. You see that trend, y'all? I'm gonna buy it, then sell it down there. But y'all have a blessed night. And that's the market recap for the week. I'm out.